Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to change the language in the Waze app in 2026. If you want Waze to display menus and navigation instructions in another language, you can change the settings in just a few steps. First, open Waze on your phone and tap the menu icon. Next, select Settings, then tap General. Look for the language option and open it. Choose the language you want to use from the available options. After selecting your preferred language, Waze may apply the change automatically or ask you to restart the app. If you also want to change the language of smoking navigation directions, go back to settings and select voice and sound. Then tap Waze voice and choose a voice that matches your preferred language. Once you finish, return to the main map and start navigation. Waze will should now use your selected language for supported menus and voice directions. And that's how to change a language in the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.